Welcome once again, Terra Classic token. Wow. Remember, Terra Classic have really gained a lot of support recently, and we are happy that Terra Classic community has also been supporting, including Binance have been burning billions of Terra Classic coin. Now, I think, remember, Terra Classic staking have actually go over 1 trillion coins. Over 1 trillion coins of Terra Classic has been staked. You can see a lot of people have now actually divert instead of selling off their Terra Classic. Many people are now staking their coin. Remember, when you stake your coin, you earn more. People believe that Terra Classic might be deleting 2.0 or even hitting 1 cent or $1. So everybody want to take the advantage, because now when you consider that Binance founder CZ, and remember Binance are the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. CZ is a multi-billionaire, a crypto billionaire. CZ has been supporting this coin. He even owns this coin. So that have actually motivated so many people to believe that something different might happen, that Terra Classic getting all this support. They believe Terra Classic can really increase in price, and everybody knows by the time Terra Classic will start pumping, wow, we are going to see over 1,000 to 10,000% or even 100,000%. So everybody wants to take the advantage, and especially that the crypto billionaires are actually supporting this coin. And I believe, of course, if you can really, instead of selling off, I think one needs to stake. But remember, if you want to invest on any crypto coin, Terra Classic or other coins we mentioned on our channel, please remember to invest what you can afford to lose. Even they want to sell off, but remember to keep some, because anything might happen. I believe that this year is going to be the year for Terra Classic token to really increase. I believe even BTC, Bitcoin is going to increase this year, and I hope to see BTC hitting back at its all-time price of $68,000 or even going above 68,000 or even hitting $100,000. I believe Terra Classic this year will be hitting about 1 cent. The tax bond have been supporting. I believe Terra Classic burning will also increase before the end of the year. Let's keep hoping that Binance founder CZ will keep supporting this coin. Let's hope big wells will also be coming in to support more and support this coin, and hope other exchanges will keep supporting Terra Classic coin. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.